Hello everyone, this is Coach Michele coming to you live from Atlanta. I am super excited to share with you, for those of you that don't know, Coach Rob and I are hosting our very first workshop, right? So this is not the Home Care Empowerment Conference that we do annually. This is our very first workshop in the state of Georgia. And we've decided to actually do a 5-city tour. I'm not gonna announce the cities right now. However, we're starting with my city, yes, my city, Atlanta. The workshop is taking place this Saturday, June 16th, and we're actually hosting two. Initially, when we announced this, we said we would host one event from 10 to 2. And it was 4 hours for those of you that live in Georgia and have not started your business. And then we received a few inquiries actually during one of my live videos on Facebook. And if you're not following me on Facebook, make sure you go to facebook.com/I am Michele. I am Coach Michele. Actually, I am Coach Michele. And said, hey, Coach, what about those of us that have already started our business and need a little additional help or need some help? So then, of course, me listening to my tribe, my peoples, I decided to open up a second workshop. So on Saturday, June 16th, from 10 to 2, Coach Rob and I will be hosting a workshop specifically dedicated to residents in the state of Georgia, or those of you that have decided to open private home care provider agency in the state of Georgia, right? So if you're in South Carolina or any adjacent state, Florida, and you know you want to open and expand into Georgia, then you're more than welcome to attend. However, it is specifically designed for licensing in the state of Georgia. So yes, we're going to touch on a lot more than just the licensing. However, again, we listen to you. What we have found, what we have heard is that a lot of you are trying to do it on your own. So I'm going to give you some inside professional tips on how you can do it on your own and how you can really decipher the rules and regulations of the Georgia Department of Community Health. Once you get an understanding and I break that thing down for you, I'm pretty confident that most of you will be able to do it yourself. And of course, if you can't, my team and I are here to help you. The second part, so we're going to break, right? So those of you that attend, those of you that are aspiring home carepreneurs, 10 to 2. And then we're going to break for lunch, 2 to 3. We're going to start back sharp. 3 to 7 is for those of you that have already submitted your license and your application and you're waiting for approval and you know you're going to be approved. So we want to go ahead and get you started, right? What happens the day you get your license? I don't want you guys to say, okay, I got my license today and now what? So I'm going to give you some keys to success on what you could do during the waiting period and then also once you get your license. And also for those of you that already started your business and you're a little stuck, or you say, you know what, I want to learn something else. I'm kind of stagnant, or I'm not stagnant, I just started and I want to grow my business. What can I learn from Coach Michele and her team to really help me get to the next level? So it's going to be a lot of diversity within that second group, that PM group. We're going to do some role playing. I'm going to give you guys the tools that you need to get you your foundation a little stronger. How about this? So it's not the Home Care Empowerment Conference. So let me just be clear on that. This is a 4-hour conference, 4-hour workshop. So I don't want you guys to get in there and be like, oh my God, I think I'm going to, start my business today. I'm going to get everything I need and now I'm good. No, that you need to look at michelleleellis.com and check out our VIP hybrid program. That's an extremely comprehensive program. It's a 12-month program that takes you from the very beginning all the way through. That's when we hold your hand and really guide you on what you need to establish your strong foundation, as well as marketing tips, tools, creation of logos, marketing material, and just a plethora of things that you need as far as keys to success. Again, I want to reiterate, this is a 4-hour workshop, guys. Am I going to bring it? Absolutely, like I always do. Am I going to give you what you need to really understand and be able to decipher through what you need versus what you don't need, the necessities to submit to get your license? I'm going to walk you through those things. In the afternoon, if you want to participate in that, you guys are more than welcome. The things that I'm going to share during the afternoon, even if you attend the morning, absolutely it's okay for you to participate. It gives you a little more head start. It gives you a little bit more information so you can truly make the best decision for you. For those of you that say, I don't know, I keep hearing about this home care thing, I'm not really sure if this is something that I really want to do. I know I love serving people. I know I'm passionate. I know I want to leave what I'm currently doing. I believe this is my calling. I'm not really sure. Come on out. Participate in the AM session, because guess what? You're going to learn and hear the details of this bad boy, and then you can make a decision. Say, oh my God, this is too complex. Oh my God, I can do this. Oh my God, yes, this is exactly what my calling is. And then you're able to make an intelligent decision and start yourself along the journey towards accomplishing your goals, right? So what are those milestones? What does it look like? All of those questions that's going on in your head, guess what? Write them down and bring them. I will answer them for you. We will have a very intimate, this is going to be a very intimate, because again, it's just Georgia folk. We haven't done any advertising on this, and this is why we're putting it out right now, because today is Monday, and what do we have? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We want this to be a very small, intimate setting. This is not something that's going to be a whole group of people, and you can't get your answers to your questions. We'll have more, perhaps. I don't know what we're going to do down the road. However, I want you guys to come out if you're looking for a small, intimate setting to really figure out what it is that you need to do, and if it's even something you want to do. Right? So go to Michele Ellis Events. No, let me see. What is it? Go to MichelleLeeEllis.com, MichelleLeeEllis.com, scroll down, and you can click to learn more. It'll take you over to CoachMichelleEvents.com, or you can just simply go there. Coach Michele Events, scroll to the bottom, click on workshops, and all of the information is there. And you may be asking yourself right now, oh my God, how much is this? It's dirt cheap. The AM class is $127. If you're one of my VIP coaching clients, you would have received an email to give you a discount, right? So $127 for 4 hours with myself and Coach Rob is well worth it, guys. Then the PM class is $197. We're gonna give you some tools about marketing, role playing, and different things like that, specifically based on where you are and what you need. Both sessions will be full of opportunities for you guys to ask questions. Get the answers while you're there in this small, intimate setting. So again, let me reiterate, because I kind of screwed it up a little. You can go to MichelleLeeEllis.com. You can learn about everything it is we do, including our VIP hybrid program, and we do have openings available in there. And then you can scroll down to the bottom. It's going to take you directly to CoachMichelleEvents.com. At CoachMichelleEvents.com, you can scroll down. There's a few options for you. You can learn about live events. You can learn about workshops. You can learn about the retreat. For those of you that don't know, we're going to the Bahamas. Yes, we are going to the Bahamas the first weekend in August. So what I would do is encourage you guys to play around, click, secure your spot. A lot of you may be thinking, you know what? Exactly that. Thinking. This is not rocket science, guys. If it's something you want to do, then do it. Version 1 is better than version none. Getting started is better than never getting started. Some of you have reached out to me a year, 2 years ago in the state you were in. What was it? Kansas, California, and a few others. Absolutely free. No licensing, no registration, no regulations, no laws, none of that pertaining to home care, because it was not regulated. And guess what? A year or two later, it's regulated. And guess what? Some of the states charge $5,600 to get your license. So why wait? There's a lot of changes that are occurring in our United States. There are a lot of changes that are occurring in our United States. You need to get in right now if this is something that you want to do. At least enlighten yourself with knowledge. So this is Coach Michele coming to you live from Atlanta. Take care, God bless, and I will see you on Saturday.